So my local track is Mt Mee, just near the Diagala National Park. It's located approximately an hour north of Brisbane.
All right, Willow, knowing you, I'm sure you've got something pretty amazing in store for us today. Where are you taking us?
So today we're going up through Dayborough, up through Diagala National Park, and I think it's a Mt Mee State Forest. A little track that a lot of Brisbaneites like to go up, and it's called A-Break. There's a lot to see for not only the four drivers but the family as well. So the tracks here, they range from easy beginners through to extreme dependent on weather. You can go exploring, you can find whatever track you have. We do a heap of travelling throughout the year, and this track here, one spot or one location we like to get to and explore at least twice a year. So when we got to Brisbane, well, obviously you do your research for local tracks, and we heard about A-Break and we came out and we explored it. And so now what we do is bring our friends out here, and we take them and we take their families out, and they range from beginners to actually extreme four-wheel drivers. So the beginners love it because they're learning something, and the tracks, they range in difficulty, and the extreme guys are just like, yeah, I'm coming out, just having a cruise drive and actually getting out and exploring places like this. So A-Break today, the conditions were dry, the gravel was loose, it was a pretty easy drive. As soon as the rain hits though, it'll change from an easy drive to, I would say, winching up those steep climbs. This is our first time driving A-Break at night, and quite enjoyed it. So I rate the track out of 10 in terms of driving difficulty. I would say a 5 for today and this type of weather. For the enjoyment and actually coming here and driving the track, I would say it's at least a 9, because the kids get out here, they chase each other, they play cricket, and everyone actually enjoys themselves.